Now, the ally of the DMK, the MDMK, has also made a significant remark on actor Vijay's party, the TVK. Vaiko says that TVK could emerge as a strong force in the 2026 Tamil Nadu elections and may even spring a surprise. He added that there could be a noticeable swing in support among students and first-time voters in favor of the TVK, making it a party to watch out for when the results are declared.
TVK will be a force to reckon with, and it may produce surprises when the results are declared. There is a possibility. There is a swing among the students and first-time voters in favor of TVK.
Let's go across to my colleague Dharani joining us on the broadcast with the details. So, Dharani, increasingly the constituents of the DMK Plus alliance seem to be coming out and accepting that Vijay will be a force to reckon with, a complete difference from what we saw ahead of the elections or before the elections, where they claimed that he is just a part-time politician, that there will be zero impact. What seems to have changed and what does this indicate?
Well, of course, in the beginning, we saw both the Dravidian parties, the DMK and the AIADMK, dismissing Vijay as just an actor whose support on the ground will not convert into votes and subsequently to seats. But now it looks like, many regional parties here in Tamil Nadu, they seem to be taking Vijay much more seriously, because earlier the same leaders, the same K. Balakrishnan, Manikam Tagore, Thirumavalavan, etc., on many occasions earlier they've dismissed Vijay as just an, a spoiler or an actor who will not get much traction. But now there is a change in their tone, and of course the exit poll results must have played a crucial role in this change in tone, is what we can understand, because a majority of the exit polls have predicted a two-digit vote percentage for Mr. Vijay, and in fact the Axis My India poll has predicted that TVK will sweep the elections in Tamil Nadu with number of seats between 98 to 120. That is the prediction from Axis My India. So a majority of the exit poll seems to have given a positive edge for Vijay's Tamilaka Vetri Kalagam with a two-digit vote share, and post these exit poll numbers, parties like Vidudalai Chitrakal Katchi, the left parties, and some leaders in the Congress, they seem to believe that Vijay will be a strong political force in Tamil Nadu, not only for this election but for the upcoming future too, the near future too. And for that reason, they are now acknowledging Vijay's impact. Many of them say that Vijay will have a huge impact, and he will have a good chunk of women voters, minorities, and also the Dalit votes, and also the youth votes. So these are the sections in which the regional parties here, they are expecting Vijay to have a good vote percentage from. But all depends on the results tomorrow. So let's wait and see what is going to be the ultimate number.
It's all in the realm of speculation and what the exit polls have only projected. We will know the real answers tomorrow. Just a few hours to go when the results will start trickling in. Do stay with us. Let's also talk about the key huddle that's underway in the DMK camp ahead of the counting day. Chief Minister M.K. Stalin visited the party office earlier today and is said to have met several candidates during this visit as the party gears up for the crucial day. Now, according to sources, he is likely to have issued instructions to the party candidates, urging them to remain cautious, disciplined and vigilant during the entire counting process. Now, let's also talk about what's happening in the AIADMK camp. Now, Edappadi K. Palaniswamy remained tight-lipped when asked about the latest developments. EPS chose not to comment, simply smiled, waved to the supporters and walked away without really responding to questions. Take a look.
How confident are you? How confident are you? You're confident?